What's special about our culture in athletics? I think across the board in all our teams, there's a family atmosphere. Family atmosphere that's built on work ethic, unselfishness, and a great attitude. Not only in terms of playing games, but towards each other.
What is special about working at Notre Dame is that I don't consider it working. I've never in all my years in Catholic education have ever referred to coming into work. I go in to teach. I go in to be there with my students. Even days that aren't great are still better than anywhere else.
What's special about working at Notre Dame is that everybody's got each other's back. This is, I know the word family isn't necessarily something that you want to hear when you're looking for a place to work, but this place is a family in the most authentic way.
You can have a transactional education really at any academic institution, but what happens at Notre Dame is transformative. It's special because we place both education and nurturing our students' hearts side by side.
The faculty at Notre Dame is special because they're very connected with the students and they care more not only about your grade but how you're doing outside of the school and how your family's doing, and they want to prepare you best for your future.
I've had two older brothers as they graduated in 2016 and 2017. So I've been around Notre Dame for about 10 to 15 years. And one of the most remarkable things are how good of a connection I've had with everyone who has been in these walls.
What's special about working at Notre Dame is that we have an opportunity to get to know our students. Again, it isn't just that we go into the classroom and we teach and we walk away. We have all these wonderful activities and a culture and a community here that fosters those relationships, and I benefit from my students as much or more than they benefit from me.